Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify mortgage insurance premium and FHA loan easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify the mortgage insurance premium for an FHA loan, begin by gathering your loan documentation. Locate your loan estimate or closing disclosure paperwork. These documents contain key information about your FHA loan. Next, check for the section that outlines the mortgage insurance premium, often labeled as MIP. The MIP is typically listed as a percentage of the loan amount. You may find it described as both an upfront premium and an ongoing monthly premium. For the upfront MIP, it is generally calculated based on 1.75% of the loan amount. If your loan amount is $200,000, for example, the upfront MIP would be $3,500. This amount is usually added to your loan balance at closing. Now, move on to the monthly mortgage insurance premium. This ongoing cost can vary based on your loan-to-value ratio and other factors. Look for the monthly premium rate, which is often around 0.45 to 1.05%. To calculate the monthly cost, multiply your loan amount by the monthly premium rate. For a $200,000 loan at a rate of 0.85%, your monthly MIP would be approximately $142. If you're unsure of the rates or calculations, visit the official HUD website for FHA loan information. You can also reach out to your lender directly for clarification. Make sure to review the MIP details thoroughly to avoid surprises in your monthly payments. Verification of your mortgage insurance premium is crucial for managing your finances effectively. By following these steps, you can confidently verify your FHA loan mortgage insurance premium. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.